The only thing you ought to be worried about is your university exams, because this student accommodation will let you live stress-free. We bring you a fantastic accommodation in Leeds. The Tannery is a luxurious and highly sought-after student accommodation located near Woodhouse Moor Park and is well known for its fully furnished rooms. Depending upon your liking, you can choose an ensuite room if you don't mind sharing your kitchen with your flatmates, or choose a studio if you prefer privacy. On the ground floor, you'll find a quiet room where you can complete your assignments while having tea or coffee. And once you're done with your studies, you can head to the common room where you'll find pool tables to challenge your friends at a game. Plus, there are lounges for you to relax and unwind. You won't have to worry about running late since the University of Leeds and Leeds Beckett University are just a 20-minute walk. In your leisure time, you can reach the city center in no time and experience the social culture in Leeds. The Tannery ensures that you don't miss out on your social and academic life. Head over to amberstudent.com and book your room today.